In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your LG Smart TV, like Bluetooth not turning on, not connecting to devices, or not detecting speakers or headphones. Let's get started. Method 1. Check Bluetooth compatibility. Make sure your LG Smart TV supports Bluetooth. Most WebOS-enabled LG TVs do, but some older models may not. You can check in. Settings, sound out Bluetooth devices. Method 2. Restart your TV and Bluetooth device. Turn off your LG TV and unplug it from power. Turn off the Bluetooth device, e.g., speaker or headphones. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and turn it on. Method 3. Repair the device. Go to Settings, sound out Bluetooth devices. Delete or unpair any old devices. Put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode and try to connect again. Method 4. Clear paired device list. If your TV has too many previously paired devices stored, it may not connect to a new one. In Bluetooth settings, remove all old devices and then pair the new one again. Method 5. Update LG WebOS software. Go to Settings, all settings support software update. Download and install any available updates. Bluetooth bugs are often fixed in newer versions. Method 6. Use an external Bluetooth adapter. If Bluetooth still doesn't work or your TV doesn't support it, you can buy a Bluetooth transmitter. Plug it into the headphone jack or optical audio port and pair your Bluetooth device through it. That's it. One of these methods should get your Bluetooth working again on your LG Smart TV. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more LG Smart TV tutorials and fixes.